Hi students, today we are looking at chapter 1 of class 5 elementary maths. Okay, first chapter is multiplication, way of multiplication. Okay, multiply 734 by 256. That is problem 1. We will proceed with the problem 1 as usual. You have to write 734 here into 256 here. First you need to multiply 734 with 6. Okay, how much it will be? 4404. Okay, and then with 5 you must start from here. Okay, when you multiply with 5 you must start from here, then multiply it with 8, then you have to leave two more places and start from here. Okay, because the 10th position, this 5 is multiplied with 734, you should start with 10th place. Here this is 2 is in the hundreds position, you should start from 100th position. Okay, once tens 100, right? Then you can add them up. Okay, right. See, this is how it is done. See, into 6, 6 is one place, into 50. Okay, that's why 0 comes here. Okay, into 200, so two zeros comes here. Okay, right. This is one way of doing it. What is the other way, you can ask me? What is the other way? Mm-hmm. Is there any other way to do this? Uh, 734 and 256. When it is near 300, this 734, if it is near 700, I may suggest some other way, but let's proceed with this way, the given way. Okay, here in the second case also same, 8536 into 2 is this, into 70 is this, into 900 is this. Okay, so you can add them up, you will get this answer. Okay, you got the point? Multiplicand and multiplier equal to product. Okay, one is called multiplicand, other is called multiplier. So product by multiplicand is nothing but multiplier, or product by multiplier is nothing but multiplicand. In symbols we can write this into this equal to this by this equal to this by this equal to this. Oh, okay. Then they gave one or 12 problems to do the multiplication. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me do only this one, 439 into 328. Hmm? I will proceed with the 8 first. 8 9 is 72, 2, 7, 8 3 is 24, 8 9 is 72, 2, 7, 8 3 is 24, 24 plus 7 31, 1, 3, 8 4 is 32, 3 35. Okay, 439 multiplied with 8, is that correct? 8 9 is 72, 2, 7, 8 3 is 24, plus 7 31, 3, 8 4 32, that is correct. Now you have to multiply with 2, as I said earlier. You can proceed from here. 2 9 is 18, 8. Okay, 8, 8, 8. 2 9 is 18. 2 9 is 18, 8, 1, 2 3 is 6, 7, 2 4 is 8, 8. Okay, like I said earlier, it must start from 10th place. Oh, what happened? You need to expand this first. Okay, okay, we'll move this. What's the big deal? Okay, next going to be 3 times 439. 3 9 is 27, 7, 2, 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 11, 1, 3 4 is 12, plus 1 13. Like I said earlier, you must start from 100th position, isn't it? Okay, let's start from 100th position. Okay, Okay, one more. 100th position. Yeah, 100th position. This one starts from 10th position. Okay. Right. Now, what you need to do? You need to add it. Add it. Oh, okay. 2 comes first. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 7, 19. 9. Again 1. 3 plus 8, 11. 12, 13. 3, 1, 4, 1. So this is the answer. 143992. You can write the answer here. Okay. Similarly, you proceed with the other examples. Not so difficult, right? Say 5009 into 602. We can alternatively do this one with a different in a different way. What is that different way? 5009 can be written as 5010 minus 1. Okay. 602 can be written as 600 plus 2. Okay. So the first this is going to be 0. 6. Right, 6. 6 0. 6 5 30 and 2 more zeros. Okay. 5000 into 6, 3000, right? Let me tell you once again. This is 0 first. 6 1 6, 6 0 0, 6 5 30. Okay. 5000 into 6 is 30,000, near about 2 more zeros. This is 5010 into 600. Then 2 into 5010. How much it will be? 0, 2, 0, 10. 10,020 minus 600 minus 2. Okay. Now you add them up. If you take 600 from here, from 10,000, 600 from 10,000, not 1000, 10,000, 9,400. Okay, 9,420, 9,418. Okay, so 300,600 plus 9,418. Okay. Now add 9,000 to this. You will get 15,000. Okay. 3 lakh. Sorry. 3 0 15,418. So that is the answer. 30 lakhs 15,418. Okay. So this is going to be your final answer, but the method is quite different from the traditional method, because these are close to 5010 or 5000. This one is close to 600. This can also be similarly written as 5000 plus 9. still you will get the same answer. Okay, right. To use the fact that 70 into to calculate the following multiplication: 78 into 63, 49, 14. Okay, then 78 into 630 is nothing but 4914 double zero. Okay, then 7800 into 6300 is nothing but 4914 three zeros. 4914 three zeros. Very easy method. We can simply 78 into 63, just write 4914. How many zeros are there? Write it in the extreme right. That's it. Now do the multiplication again. One more task is given to us: 530 into 320. You just need to do 53 into 32. You can append two zeros on the rightmost. Then what is 53 into 32? Okay, 53 into 32. Where? Here we will put 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. Okay, then 3 3 is 9. 3 5 is 15. Okay, but what about the order? This must be in the tens place. 9 must be in the tens place. Okay, now this is correct. Okay, put this bar. No, where is the bar? Where is the bar? Where is the bar? Here it is. Okay, place the bar. Mm-hmm. Chick, chick, 9, chick, 1. 1696, 666. Yeah, 1696. Now you just copy 1696 from there. Is this the answer? Is this the answer? Yes. This is 53 into 32. There are again two zeros. Append two zeros here. Right. This is the answer. Okay. From what we learned before. Can I write directly the answer of this? Yes. 6 5 is 30. How many zeros are left out? 3 plus 2 5. Those 5 zeros will come here. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. 30 lakhs. Yes. 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 What about here then? Can you write it directly? Yes. 56. How many zeros left out? 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. 56 lakhs. Okay. What about this? This also we can write directly. 8. How many zeros? 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. 8 lakhs. Okay. This also we can write directly. Yes, that also we can write directly. We will write it. 11 4 is 44. How many zeros left out? 1 2 3. 44,000. Okay. This also we can write directly. How will we write? 9 7 is 63. How many zeros are left out? 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 6 lakhs 30,000. Okay. Oh, right. Right. Okay. Use the easy process to do the following multiplication. The easy process is see, this is near 1000. So write 1000 minus 1 into 32. Then this will be 1000 into 32. Oh, these values are not given. Okay, we'll write 1000 into 32. What about this? 1 into 32. Just expanding. A minus b into c equal to ab minus bc. This is what? 32,000. Okay, what about this? 32. Now subtract 32 from 32,000. What will it be? 10 minus 2 8. 9 minus 3 6. The third digit will be 9. This digit will be 1. First digit will be 9. 31968. Okay. That is the answer. Oh, that is the answer you are saying? Yes. What about second and third? Proceed in the similar way. What is that way? This is 1000. 1000 minus 10 into 24. Oh, then this is 1000. What about this? 10. Okay, then what this will be? 24,000. What about this? 240. Now remove 200 from 24,000. 200 if you remove 23,800. 23,800. 23,000 from 800 remove 40, 760. So that is the answer. Okay, if you add 40 to 760 it will become 23,800. If you add 200 it will become 24,000. Okay, what about this? What about this? What about this? 10,000. Yes, 10,000 minus 100 into 357. This is 10,000. What about this? This is 100. Okay, then what about this? 357. How many zeros? 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. What about this? 357. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, subtract this from this, that will be the final answer. Final answer. Okay, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. What is this? We will do in the some other way. Remove 30,000 from this. This is 70,000, right? Remove 35,000 from 70,000. This will become 35,000. Okay. 35,000. Remove 700 from 5,000. 4,300. Okay. 353 is common. Okay. In the 5,000 we will remove 700. Then 700, 4300. If you add 700 to 4300 it becomes 35,000. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, use the easy process to the following do multiplications. Okay, you got the question right. Which one you want me to solve? This one is easier. Okay, 101 will be written as 100 plus 1 into 45. 45 hundreds are 44 45 ones are 45. This becomes not year. Okay, 4545. That is the answer. Okay, even if you multiply directly also you will get 4545 over that 2 in one step. Okay, what about this? 343 0. 33 ones are 33. 31 3630. 31 ones are 33 33. 31 ones are 33 plus 3 36. Okay, what about this? 27 ones are 27. 7 2. 21 ones are 27 plus 2 29. 297 00. That is the answer. Okay, this is these problems we need that kind of the solution. What kind of the solution you're asking? You're talking about these 999 should be written as 1000 minus 1 into 75. So nothing but 75 zeros minus 75. What is the answer then? Okay, 74,000. In 1000 you should remove 75, right? 9,025, 925. If you add that it will become that is what I am telling. 74,925 is the answer. That is the answer. Yes. Let me do the second one also. Little bit interesting. 1000 minus 1 into 1000 minus 1. No, 1000 minus 1 into into where is into 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1. See, 1, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay. Minus 1000 minus 100. Minus 1000 minus 100 plus 1 is going to be the answer. So in this you have to remove 1000 first. If you remove 1000 from here, 99,900. If you remove 1000 from 1 lakh, how much it will be? 1 lakh is 100k, so it will be 99,000. Okay, 99,000. Now you are removing. Yes, you are removing 100 from 99,000. Okay, remove 100 from 99,000. 98,900. Okay, now you need to add 1. So 98,901 is the final answer for this. Remaining ones you can do similarly. Arithmetic restorations. Find the numbers in the blank boxes. What the? So you shouldn't ask that. What is this? No. You shouldn't. Why? Find the numbers in the blank boxes. What's wrong in it? Here you should get 4. You are multiplying with 8. What are the chances to get 4 here? Let me think. If I add 1, you will get 8 there. If I add 2, 6 there. Add 3, yes, there is a chance that you will get 4. Even you can add 3 only. 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32. The 40, 8 6 the 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64. 8 is one more possibility. Okay. But let's see if you, yes, 8 is the possibility, so this is 8. How come? If you put tick mark, it will happen like that? Yes, it will happen like that. How come? See the 100th position. If you multiply with 1, it should be 8 here. You got the point? I hope you got the point. Now, you multiplied with 1. Then this should be a 2 only. Then only you will get 228 in the middle. You got the logic? Yes. If you multiply it with 1, okay, you got 228. That means this is 228. Okay, fair enough. But at last you got 1824 here. That means what? You should multiply with 6 at least. 6 8 ja. No, no. 8 8 at least. 8 8 ja. 64 4 6 8 2 ja. 16 6 22 2 8 6 yeah, yes, this should be 8. Okay, you got the logic. Last one 1824. If you want to get 1824 there, it should be 8. Okay, now you see 8 8 ja 64 4 6 8 2 ja 16. So this is also 1824. Okay, okay, 4 here, 8 2 plus 1 10 1 here, 9 plus 2 11 plus 4 15. That means 5 here, 1 here, 1 plus 1 2 6. Not tick mark, they didn't ask. 6 you have to write. Okay, then 8 will come as it is. So this is the answer. You got the problem? You got the problem. You got the problem. You got the problem. You got the problem. Okay, now what? 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 You have to put 7 here in the hundreds place. 7 7 is 7, 7 5 is 35. 7 only will give 7 there because there is 1, right? So with that logic, this will be 3. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Mm-hmm, 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 uh. Okay, see, you have these two numbers. Add these two numbers first. Hmm. Okay, okay, 0. This should be 0. Then only it could be, it could be, it could be, it could be, it could be 9. Then only it will be 9. Final answer is there, right? Just 9. Here also it should be 0. No. Okay. Then only it will be 5. So middle 0 only, I guess. No, here it is 1. Okay, place 1 there. 1 there, 1 then there, 1 there. No, here also it should be 0. Why? 4 plus 7 1, 1 plus 1 1. So what is the